Hello, lovely viewers. This is your girl Eveeee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. Very, very necessary. So I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you guys for how far we have come. As the doing of the Lord, and it is so marvelous in our eyes. Psalm 118 verse 23. So today I am taking you along to the best coconut joint in Accra, Ghana, Tema Station to be precise. Yes, anytime I want to enjoy coconuts, this is the point. And trust me, this man is good at his work. He will give you exactly what you want. Sir, I salute you. Keep on with the good work. So friends and family, let's go. We are also going to learn the health benefits of taking coconuts. So if you want fresh coconut juice or fresh coconut water, come here. Come to the station, Accra, Ghana. He will give you the best, trust me. The water is so sweet, exactly how I want it. Papa. You even have some tissue around, so you can clean your mouth. I told you he is the best. Okay, Pastor, come on, me one. It's coconuts na yeden. Would you yeden? What's what to so any benefits of coconut yeden? Can be betrayed. Coconuts would you yeden? A man di paduano. Okay, am I a hoarding? And I say is you no so. A makumana hoarding. So what's you say? Wow, potassium. Okay, you see, the client is testifying. Okay, all right. And I learned it. So good. And I say, who diarrhea and swallow menum. Oh, great. Wow. So you see, friends and family, please, if you want coconut, correct one, fresh one, come to Ghana, Accra, Ghana. So like we said, it's good for stomach upsets. It cleanses the heart, it washes the system, it has potassium, it also helps cure diarrhea and a whole lot. Please, friends and family, try and enjoy coconuts. It's very good for our health. I just love the way he does it. Wow. And it's also very neat. Yes. Okay, so you can see my friend here enjoying. Madam, please say hi to my viewers. Hi. You know, she's also enjoying. You really buy some here, right? More time. Okay, so you see. Oh, okay. Her usual spot as usual. Yeah. So, please say hi to my fans. All right. So that is that. So see you, friends and family, in our next video. Bye bye. So say bye bye. So that's that, friends and family. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is Tema Station for you. Yes. So help me. Let's give God some thumbs up for creating this fruit. I wonder how he was able to put in the juice. Oh my God, you are so great. Thank you. And if you like this video, just give your girl some thumbs up and see you. Bye bye.